In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Kanban board in Trello. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. So first things first, you need to open Trello. Once you're logged in, locate the Create New Board button. It's usually very prominent on the main dashboard. Click on that button to get started with your own Kanban board. Next, you'll want to enter a title for your board. You might call it something straightforward, like project management, or perhaps more tailored, like YouTube content planning. Whatever resonates with you and the project you're managing. After you've got your title sorted, it's time to personalize your workspace a bit. Trello allows you to select a background image or choose a specific color. This can help make the board visually appealing and easier to navigate. So take a moment to pick your preferred style. Once you're happy with your choices, go ahead and hit that Create button. Now that your board is created, we need to set up your lists. A traditional Kanban board typically consists of 3 main lists to track the progress of work. You'll start by clicking Add a List. For the first list, go ahead and name it Tasks, or you could also call it To Do. This is where all the tasks that need to be completed will live. Next, create your second list and title it In Progress. This is where you'll move tasks that you're currently working on. And finally, you'll need a third list. Name it Done. This is your victory lap area where you'll celebrate completed tasks. If your project is more complex, feel free to add additional lists as needed. With your list set up, let's move on to adding tasks. Under the Tasks list, you'll see an option that says Add a Card. Click on that and type in the name of your specific task. For example, you might enter Create Thumbnail or Edit Video. Don't forget to press Enter to save the card. Keep going, adding as many tasks as you need for your project until you have a comprehensive view of everything you need to tackle. Now, this is where the magic of Kanban truly shines, managing and moving tasks. As you start working on any given task, simply click and drag the card from the Tasks list over to the In Progress list. It's a dynamic way to visualize what you're currently focused on. And once you finish a task, don't forget to move that card to the Done list. There's something deeply satisfying about seeing those completed tasks pile up. But wait, we're not done yet. To really enhance your Kanban board, you can add additional details to each card. Click on any card to open it, which will reveal more advanced features. Here, you can add checklists for subtasks and tick them off as you complete them. This way, you can visualize your progress at a glance with a handy progress bar. You can also use the description field to jot down any specific details or instructions related to the task. This is great for ensuring you don't miss any important steps. Furthermore, clicking on Labels allows you to color code your cards for better organization, making it easy to identify different kinds of tasks at a glance. And if you want to really make certain cards stand out, choose a cover color to give them a unique visual flair. And there you have it, a fully functional Kanban board set up in Trello. I hope you find this method beneficial in organizing your tasks. Be sure to experiment with it, and don't hesitate to get creative as you go along. Happy organizing!